Here I've got OPPO Reno Pro, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using, in my case it's Google Chrome. Then tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and then select history. Now click on clear browsing data, and here you will find some of basic and advanced features. So under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. And then under advanced you have few more, and these are saved passwords, autofill from data, and also site settings. Finally you have to select the time range, so just click here to customize it, pick the preferred time, I would choose all time, and finally just tap on clear data. And that's it. As you can see, you've just cleared browsing data in your OPPO Reno Pro. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.